This is the EURCAD on the 60 and we have a triangle that's set up, and I'm just going to draw this out. So we've got a directional move, saw thumb move here. Then if we draw this out on the closes of the candles, it's going to be like this for me. So we need a minimum of 4 touches. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be down here. Forgot to draw on the bottom trend line. And we're looking like this. So you can see that we just come into this area here, this level of support. This here, we did not break above the highest point, which is here. So technically this is not a break above, close above. So we're coming back down to retest the trend line. So I can now look for entry reasons within this zone. Just before I do drop down the time frames, I'm just going to throw a fib on, swing high to swing low. We're going to be looking for that 127. And this is a triangle for me because here where we're coiling, where we're wedging, this test here has not come down to test that test, this hasn't come down to test this or this. So clear sign here that we are wedging this side and we're holding the structure level. If I drop to the 15, then there isn't a great deal here. We actually have to drop down an additional time frame to the 5. And what I've used as the entry is this double bottom. So we've dropped down from the 60 to the 5 here, which isn't something I usually do, but this is valid because it's come into this trend line. Also on top of that, just here we do have a break above, close above our structure level, and so you can look at this being a 26.18 trade where you buy up the 61.8. In terms of stops, well, the ATR is less than 4. I've actually gone 12 pips below the low here just to give this some breathing room. What else? You can see now that we are actually down retesting this area. Let's go back to the 15. And that's it. It's a case now of leaving the trade. Okay, we're back on the EURCAD for an update. I have actually added to this position, currently 9 pips up, and I just want to talk through this. This was the double bottom that did not hold, we violated, and what we're doing now is we are, from the look of it, putting in new highs. Let's go to the 15, let's go to the 60. And the reason why I didn't just have my stop and ATR back was because we were only on the 5 minute and we'd already dropped 2 or 3 time frames to get the entry. Usually I'd only drop 1 time frame. That would allow for when the entry it's on the higher time frame. So I allowed a little bit more, and what I didn't talk through was this is if I actually bring this lower like that so that it's on the very lows of the candles here, I actually wanted to be behind the structure level, and you can see for good reason that's why I actually placed the stop a lot further back than just an ATR. I think I also did forget as well to work out the risk and the reward, but there it is, it's 20 of risk for 41 of reward. And we're back for the update, and we have now won plus 41 pips. What a lovely pattern. And as usual, these are not called breakout patterns for any reason other than the fact that they do break out. Just look at the momentum there. Hindsight could have gone higher, but that's not what I've tested. I've tested the 127, so plus 41 pips.